Welcome to another Rostoris tutorial. In this video, we're going to have a look at the roles section. Now in this particular example, we've already loaded 5 roles, that of a barman, chef, dishwasher, security, and waiter. We set these up in the setup wizard, but if we wanted to add new roles, we could do so here, and likewise if we wanted to delete a role, we could do that here. Or maybe change the text of a role. You could do that there. Now the relevance of roles is that this is how you specify during your shifts what you're going to need on that shift. So by having these 5 roles loaded, we can then say later on that on Friday we want 2 barmen, 1 chef, we don't need a dishwasher, but we do need 1 security guard and 3 waiters. So although this is a very basic example, don't be afraid to use roles to go into more detail and to make your roster more specific. So in this example, we've just specified that we may need a barman, and there are 9 employees who can work in that capacity. But if we wanted to go into more detail, we might want to load a role of, say, a cocktail barman. So let's do that now. And we may only want to have cocktail barmans during very busy times or special times of the week. And by having this as a separate role, we can now distinguish that. So we've added the role of cocktail barman, but there are no employees added here. Let's say that Alan and Bill are both competent as cocktail barman. So what we'd do is we'd go into employees and we'd find Alan and we would go edit and we would tick him as a cocktail barman. And we'd also add Bill as a cocktail barman. And then if we go back to the role section, we can see that we now have 2 employees specified as being able to work as cocktail barman. So there you have the role section. Now that these are loaded, you can go into your shifts and you can specify what type of employees you need and when you need them.